Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at the UAG rugged case for the Surface Pro. It fits the Surface Pro 4, the Surface Pro 2017, and the Surface Pro the Surface Pro 6, the new one to come out, since they didn't change anything other than make it black and change the processor to the newer version. So this ruggedized case meets military drop specs. It's very rugged. Got a nice honeycomb interior finish to absorb shock. Got an anodized kickstand. It has several positions on the kickstand. This unit meets military specs for drop testing. Yeah, I don't suggest you drop your Surface Pro. Not that kind of a unit to be throwing around. I suggest you be careful with it, but this will make it a lot better for in the field when you're working with, you're working with equipment or whatever, and you got to grab something. It's got an opening on the bottom for the keyboard magnetic slot. There's the power slot, the ports. It's got ventilation ports and the buttons for volume and turning on and off. It's got a bungee cord up in the corner to hold the cover. See that honeycomb texture is to absorb shock. It's a pretty hefty unit. It's got this anodized aluminum kickstand that's very clicky. Got several useful positions for it, and when it's locked, it's pretty firm. It flips out of the way there. Now, when you slide your Surface Pro in, you just have to slide it into the upper corners. Right there, the left and the right upper corners. Once it goes underneath the little lip there, then you just squeeze it down in the bottom corners, and they just go click right over the corners there. It fits this unit very well. You got your keyboard access right down there where the magnetic keyboard goes. And there's your headphone jack with a little bit of ventilation ports. Ventilation ports across the top. You've also got your stylus slot. You can put your pen right there and it'll hold your pen. Be careful though, because you could bump it and knock it out of there, but it's pretty rugged, but just when you're maneuvering. There's your ports for charging, your ports for USB, and your monitor port, should you want to use external monitor. The keyboard absolutely fits perfect. This case does not obstruct anything. It just clicks in like that, and then you're good to go. So I really recommend this case if you guys, need to use it out in the field for, industrial strength services. Please hit like and subscribe if you like this video. I hope I helped you guys out, and I will catch you guys on the next one.